Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to create a Fiverr selling account. So you'll be able to start doing some freelancing on Fiverr. And by the way, Fiverr is one of the biggest, if not the best, freelancing website, and it is perfect for any beginner from anywhere in the world. You can use Fiverr to start making money. Once on Fiverr.com, what you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner and you are going to select Become a Seller. After selecting that, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you can scroll down and you can see that every 4 seconds a gig is purchased on Fiverr, and you can see that they have done over 50 million transactions, and the prices as it goes with Fiverr is from $5 to $10,000, and you'll quickly be able to grow your freelancing community and you'll be able to find numerous potential customers on Fiverr. As you can see here, all you'll have to do is create a gig, and then you'll deliver your gig and you'll get paid. And that's it. That's the beauty about Fiverr. You don't have to worry about contacting anybody to get paid or anything like that, as they tend to collect the money before. So once you upload the gig that it was demanded and it is in good standing, you'll be able to get paid. As you can see right here, once you completed a buyer's order, the money is transferred to your account. No need to chase clients for payments and wait 60 or 90 days for a check. So you'll get paid instantly. So once we have read the Q&A and it is to your liking, you are going to tap on Become a Seller. Then you'll be redirected to this page after you have finished with the sign up process. And once you have done that, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see your profile pic. And from here, you are going to select Profile. After selecting Profile, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll start editing your profile, as you want it to look as credible and as beautiful as possible so that persons will see it and purchase the gig that you're selling. And by the way, I'll show you some gig at the end of this video that persons are doing without any skills and they are making a good amount of money. So once you're on your profile page, as you can see right here, you can upload a profile pic by simply tapping on the circle and tapping on the camera icon. Then you'll scroll down, and from here you could add description, and you can also add languages. So if you're bilingual, you can add a second language right here, or if you don't speak English, you can add the language that you speak. You can also link accounts. So for example, you could link your Facebook account, or if you want, you can link your Twitter account. And here you'll be able to add your skills if you have any, and you can also add your education level. And if you have any certificates, you can add them right here. After you have done with all of that, you'll tap on Save, and you are going to select Become a Seller right here. After selecting Become a Seller, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you are going to tap on Continue. Then you can see what makes a successful Fiverr profile. You will need to create something that is credible, as I said earlier, accurately describe your professional skills to help you get more job, and put a face to your name. You will definitely need to upload a profile pic, and you can see, to keep our community secure for everyone, we may ask you to verify your ID. After reading that, you are going to tap on Continue, and you can see what they don't like on Fiverr. They don't like misleading or inaccurate information about your identity, opening duplicate accounts. Remember, you can always create more gigs, and soliciting other community members for work on Fiverr. Then you'll simply tap on Continue. And from here, you'll enter your first name, and you'll also enter your last name. Then you are going to enter your display name right here. After entering your display name, you are going to add your profile pic, and you'll also add a description, and you'll add languages that you speak, and you'll also add the language level. After doing all of this, you'll simply tap on Continue, and then you'll enter your professional information, and again you'll enter linked accounts, just like what I showed you earlier, and then you'll go through the account security. After you have done all of that, let me show you some gigs that I would recommend starting out. So let me go back to the first page of Fiverr, and I'll simply type in selfie videos. So it's selfie video right here, as there are numerous persons that are making a good amount of money on Fiverr by filming selfie videos from their car or from the comfort of their home. As you can see right here, I will do a selfie style video. So let me tap on this so you can see how it is done. You can sign up and you can create a platform just like this, or a profile better yet just like this, and you can start making money. And you can see that this person has over 290 ratings thus far, and you can see that he has one order in queue, and his basic plan starts at $20, and the standard is $25, and the premium, let me tap on the premium is $30. And you can see that for his premium, it's 150 word cell phone video, and he will read your script for a selfie video in 48 hours. So he'll normally deliver the video within 2 days, as you can see right here. And you can scroll down and you can read more about this gig, and you can also see an example of how you can set up your seller's profile on Fiverr. And by the way, to create videos like this is quite easy. Once you have a smartphone, which majority of persons have, you can simply use the selfie camera to record these videos, and you'll be able to start making money using Fiverr. And you can see that he is getting a lot of ratings because of his fast delivery. And you can see right here, if I were to quickly play it,
Hello, my name is Josh and I am an actor.
all he's doing is recording a selfie video in his car. And persons do this in their bedroom or in the park or numerous other places. And that's it. You can start making money with Fiverr doing this, and there are numerous other tasks that you can create gigs around that persons are making a good money on without any special skills. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Selfie video in his car, and persons do this in their bedroom or in the park or numerous other places. And that's it. You can start making money with Fiverr doing this, and there are numerous other tasks that you can create gigs around that persons are making a good money on without any special skills. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.